Prairie Chase is a rental home community in the Whitestown, Indiana, neighborhood on Good Drive, offering 2, 3, and 4-bedroom single-family homes and townhomes. The kitchen scene highlights Prairie Chase fully equipped kitchens, stainless steel energy-efficient appliances, a pantry, and smoke-free apartment amenities listed by Prairie Chase online. In the bedroom, Prairie Chase connects the brand-new spacious floor plans on screen with 2, 3, and 4-bedroom layouts listed for Whitestown homes. The living room slide calls out hardwood-style flooring, an official Prairie Chase apartment amenity across brand-new spacious floor plans for Whitestown rental homes shown online. The patio scene matches Prairie Chase amenities for private patios, with fenced backyards available on select homes. For leasing, the screen lists Prairie Chase, 2485 Good Drive in Whitestown, prairiechasehomes.com, and 463-241-6338. Leasing covers current availability, tour scheduling, pricing, and pet details.